Is it on?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Shall we commence here? I'll proceed.
Yes, yes, please.
Yes. Request you. I'm District Judge Purushottam
The permission of Honorable Chief Justice to commence the proceedings. A warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Justice Sri Arup Kumar Goswami and Honorable Chief Justice Mananda Nagaraj, Judge High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge, Kadapa District, to the inaugural of two courts building at two residential quarters of junior judges at Mainpur, Kadapa District. I also welcome to the respected Principal District Judge and other judicial officers of Kadapa District. I also welcome President and members of the Bar Association Mainpur for today's inaugural function in the august presence of Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge of the Kadapa District. Now I request the President of Bar Association Mainpur to deliver his welcome address.
Namaste, my lord. I am K. Srinivasulu, President of Bar Association Mysore. I am pleased to submit that the Junior Civil Court at Mysore was established on 6/7/2008, was inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Justice Anil R. Dave Garu, Chief Justice, High Court of AP Hyderabad, Honorable Chief Justice G. Rohini Garu, Judge High Court of AP Hyderabad, then the portfolio judge, Kadapa District. The Honorable Justice C. Nagarjuna Garu, Judge High Court of AP, Hyderabad. At the relevant time, Honorable Justice K.G. Shankar Garu, retired Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, was working as the Honorable Principal District and Session Judge at Kadapa. It is unfortunate to say that the first judicial officer of Mysore Junior Civil Judge Court, Mysore was Sri C.S. Vivekananda Srinivas Garu, who is none other than the cousin of our Administrative Judge Kadapa. Prior to the establishment of Junior Civil Judge Court at Mysore, the territorial jurisdiction of the state was laid with learned second additional judicial magistrate of first class, Puttur, Chapadu, Mysore, Dur Mandal, and the learned second additional judicial magistrate of first class, Kadapa, Kajipet Mandal Vandi. At present, the Junior Civil Court, Mysore got jurisdiction over the Chapadu Mandal, Mysore Mandal, Dur Mandal, and Kajipet Mandal. Besides having jurisdiction in FRO Vanipeta, FRO Puttur, and SCP Mysore. And now the total pendants of the Junior Civil Court, Mysore is 1962, which is inclusive both civil and criminal. Further, I am pleased to submit that additional court building is also going to inaugurate today. As such, we request the Honorable Chief Justice of AP and our Administrative Judge Garu to accord permission and sanction of additional court besides sanction one senior judge court, as there are more than sufficient cases pending before the senior judge court, Puttur and Kadapa, belongs to the territorial jurisdiction of Mysore town. I am very much thankful to my lord for giving me this opportunity and conducting inauguration through virtually. Thanks for all. Thank you.
Sri Justice C. H. Mananda Roy, G. Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge, Kadapa District, to deliver his lordship's brief report.
Arup Kumar Goswami ji, Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Purushottam Kumar, Principal District and Session Judge, Kadapa District, President of Mysore Bar Association, and then members of Mysore Bar Association and other dignitaries and distinguished guests present at the function. Very good morning to all. This day of 19 September 2021 assumes significance in annals of the history of Mayurkur judiciary for the reason that today we are celebrating the function of inauguration of the newly constructed two-court building of Junior Civil Judge Court at Mayurkur and two residential quarters of Junior Civil Judges at Mayurkur. We are very happy that today, on this happy occasion, we have the Chief Justice of our High Court, Andhra Pradesh, amidst us, who is going to inaugurate the newly constructed Junior Court building and two residential quarters in the presence of myself as Administrative Judge of Kadapa District. So at the outset, on this very happy and historic occasion, I congratulate the President and members of Mayurkur Bar Association. Functioning of court in the process of justice delivery system, making justice accessible to the litigant public of these parts, originally started at Mayurkur in the year 2008 when a court of Junior Civil Judge was established at Mayurkur. The present Junior Civil Judge Court Mayurkur was established on 6/7/2008. It was initially housed in the Panchayat office of Mayurkur. The court was inaugurated by then Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Anil R. Dave. Prior to establishment of this court at Mayurkur, advocates and the litigant public of these parts used to visit the court of second edition Junior Civil Judge First Class Prosecutor, as Mayurkur was within the jurisdiction of the said court. Considering the huge pendency of cases both on civil and criminal side at Mayurkur, and as litigant public used to face much difficulty in the way of going on in all the way going to Prosecutor for redressal of their grievances, the High Court has recommended the government for sanction of court at Mayurkur, considering the request of the litigant public and the members of the Bar Association of Mayurkur. Accordingly, on the recommendation made by the High Court, the government of Andhra Pradesh issued notification dated 5/7/2007 for establishment of Junior Civil Judge Court at Mayurkur as per GOMS number 155 Finance. Thereafter, as there was no permanent building to house the court was temporarily housed in the Panchayat office in the year 2008, and since then the court has been functioning in Mayurkur. In the year 2014, the then Collector of Kadapa District, on the request made by the Principal District Judge Kadapa, transferred the government land in an extent of 5 acres 16 cents for construction of a building of Junior Civil Judge Court and two residential quarters for the judicial officers. Possession of the said land was delivered to the judiciary by the then Tahsildar of Mayurkur on 9/1/2014. On the recommendation made by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, the government has sanctioned 655.20 lakhs for construction of the two-court building complex and two residential quarters for judicial officers in the above extent of land as per the estimates prepared by the Roads and Buildings Department. The execution of the work of construction of the building was allotted to the contractor, Mr. A.V. Mohan Reddy, and he has completed the execution of the construction work. Portion of the court building of the on the two residential quarters was delivered to the district judiciary on 10/5/2021, recently in the month of May. The present newly constructed court building of Junior Civil Judge Court is provided with all modern facilities and amenities. There is a public information center, sitting lounge for litigant public, a separate waiting room for litigant public, ladies bar association, separate chamber for law officers like assistant public prosecutor and assistant government pleader. There is a library room and a ramp for entering physically challenged litigant people to the court hall. There is a fiber net and high-speed internet is available in the building. Thus, the present atmosphere at the newly constructed building is litigant friendly. Now, as the members of the Mayurkur Bar Association now got permanent court building to house their Junior Civil Judge Court, and the High Court has taken all necessary steps to provide adequate infrastructure to run the judicial administration at Mayurkur under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Justice. Now it is for the members of the Mayurkur Bar Association to make optimum use of all these amenities and facilities provided to them by the High Court and strive hard to keep up the trust and glory of the state judiciary. Before I part with I, on behalf of Kadapa District Judiciary and on my behalf as the Administrative Judge of Kadapa District, I thank the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Arup Kumar Goswami ji, for consenting to inaugurate the two-court building of Junior Civil Judge Court at Maidiko and two residential quarters of Junior Civil Judges at Maidiko. May I now request the Honorable Justice Arup Kumar Goswami ji, Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to inaugurate the two-court building for Junior Civil Judges at Maidiko and two residential quarters of Junior Civil Judges at Maidiko. Thank you.
Now, I have the privilege of inviting Honorable Sri Justice Arup Kumar Goswami ji, Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to digitally inaugurate two courts building and two residential quarters of Junior Civil Judges at Maidiko, Kadapa District.
Like very. ఏంది పెళ్లి గురించా చీఫ్ స్టార్ట్సా ఓకే ఎంతసేపు 2 minutes. The Honorable Chief Justice, before the Honorable Chief Justice enters the gathering, there is 2 minutes enable the Chief Justice to look at the construct of the new building in quarters. Only 2 minutes presentation. Promise of the Honorable.
Yes, yes.
Now I request the Honorable Chief Justice to deliver the inaugural letters.
Namaste and good morning. My esteemed colleague Chikati Manavendranath Roy, Judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge of Kadapa District, Sri Purushottam Kumar, Principal District Judge Kadapa, Mr. K. Srinivasulu, President Bar Association, Magudur, Registrar General, members of the Bar Association, members of the legal fraternity, judicial officers and staff present there, registrars, members of media, both electronic and print, ladies and gentlemen. It is a happy occasion for me to inaugurate the 2-court building and 2 residential quarters at Medapur. I would have been happier if I could have been physically present there and take part in the proceedings. But certain reasons, it was not possible for me to be there physically, and so I had to be contented to inaugurate this building and the residential quarters through the digital medium. Yesterday also I had the occasion to lay the foundation stone of the new Bar Association building at Srikakulam, as well as inauguration of special court for trial of offences against women and special court under POCSO Act in the district court complex at Srikakulam. Today, there is another function of laying the stone laying ceremony of 6-court building at Adoni in Kurnool district, which will take place in about 1.5 hours' time. My brother Roy has given an elaborate portrayal of the functioning of the district court at Madhepur, how it started functioning, where it started, and the development of the bar since the establishment of the courts there. I am pretty sure that with the completion of this two-court building, with all the modern amenities, with all infrastructure, would be beneficial to the members of the legal fraternity as well as the judicial officers. I request them to make best use of the infrastructure available, amenities available, so that it is possible to render justice in a much more efficient manner. The residential quarters had also come up. I have witnessed the court complex and the residential quarters, and going with the look of it, I'm very impressed. Infrastructure is most essential for the proper dispensation of justice, and this aspect need not be highlighted again and again. We must create an environment where judicial officers can discharge their responsibilities in a comfortable manner without having much difficulties in their day-to-day life. And in that context, having an official accommodation goes a long way in creating that environment. I request to members of the bar that they will continue to discharge their obligations and duties to other clients in the manner expected of them, and help judiciary grow from strength to strength in days to come. With these few words, I congratulate all for this ceremony and wish you all the very best. Stay safe. Thank you. Enjoy him.
Now I request the Principal District Judge Kadapa to propose a vote of thanks.
Hello. I take immense pleasure in placing vote of thanks. His Lordship Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Sri Arup Kumar Goswami garu pleased to permit District Unit Kadapa to inaugurate the long-awaiting two court buildings and residential quarters of Judicial Officers Complex. We are ever grateful for your Lordship's kind permission. We heartily thank your Lordship for gracious presence in the inauguration of two court building complex and the Judicial Officers Residential buildings at Mysore. On behalf of District Unit Kadapa, I take this occasion to express our gratitude for your Lordship's gracing this occasion. On behalf of District Unit Kadapa, we are ever thankful for his Lordship, Honorable Sri Justice Shekhar Manavendranath Rai garu, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Administrative Judge of the District Unit Kadapa, for his Lordship's kind initiation in guiding us in completing the long-awaited inauguration of the two court building complex and Judicial Officers Residential complex at Mysore. On behalf of District Unit Kadapa, we deeply express our sincere gratitude for guiding us with the Lordship's physical presence at Mysore and participating in the digital inauguration. I sincerely thank Registrar Administration, Sri Venkatraman garu, and the Registrar IT, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Chakravarti garu, for his and his team for kindly guiding us and making this event successful. I thank the technical team headed by Sri Sivaram garu, Court Regional District Head of District Unit Kadapa, in organizing this event by giving technical support in coordination with Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. I sincerely thank Senator Radharani, Junior Civil Judge, Mysore, for taking all steps for smooth functioning of this unit. I sincerely thank the presence of A. Srinivasulu and the Bar Associate of the President Bar Association, Mysore, for supporting District Unit for organizing this event. I thank Superintendent Engineer, Executive Engineer, Deputy Executive Engineers of R&D and his staff for constructing the building and the residential complex and giving technical support for smooth functioning of this event. I thank District Authority, Police, Print and Electronic Media, court staff, the decorators, directors, and all supporters in making this event. Thank you. Much appreciated.
Function is closed.